Hi, this is VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. To do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove. Then confirm your action by tap to remove. Are you sure? If you use just some protect methods, just confirm that it's you. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account. That's why let's go back to the Gmail app, and in the application we can see that we just successfully log out from the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.